Hey, what's up? I'm Dave Boyer, aka Mr. Boyer, aka the Swan Man, here at my own house. We're building an addition onto our house. It's been a long process, but we're getting closer and closer to getting moved back in. I'm standing in my bedroom. It's going to be my bedroom. We added on 10 feet back there to have a kind of master suite. But I wanted to take you into the bathroom real quick. Not to be all gross and stuff, but to actually see what's going on in here. We've got some pretty cool features, like the mirror and the bathroom vanity are all made from wood that came from right here at Boyers Park on this property. The bathroom vanity, the top of it, actually is made from oak that we had sawn into benches for my wife and I's wedding, so they're really special. But what I've been working on is in the shower. So I want to take you in here and let you see what's going on. Sorry about that. But we have this rock that we had on the property, and it's a pretty neat rock. It's really nice and flat and thick. It's solid. It's really cool, but it's covered in rust and mud, and it needed to get cleaned off. So we've just started that today. And I put the first treatment on just a few minutes ago and tried it out and wanted to kind of show you what I want to do because it's kind of some cool chemistry. So that rust and mud that's caked on there, it's really not easy to just brush it off and scrape it off. So we're going to try some chemicals on it, and we're going to pour a little bit of vinegar first. Vinegar is a type of acid, acetylsalic acid. So it's going to help to loosen up some of that mud and rust off the rock. So it's just going to look like water, but it's doesn't have that same smell actually. So let me put on the mask. All right, so this is the vinegar, and nothing really is going to happen as it goes on. Just looks like it's getting wet. Except a little bit of the baking soda that was left on there from the last time I did it. Sorry about the camera work. But now we'll do some baking soda and watch what happens. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. So it's got some sodium and some carbon oxygen molecules, these bicarbonates. And it reacts with the acid from the vinegar. And it's got a little bit of bubbling going on. Pretty cool. So we're going to try pouring just a little bit more vinegar on it to get that reaction sped up and going again. Pretty awesome. Then the last thing I'm going to do is scrub it with a wire brush real quick. And then we'll get going. So that reaction there between an acid and a base, the vinegar, acid, the sodium bicarbonate, baking soda is the base. And so they react, and you got that bubbling, that fizzing, and it's going to help to loosen up the particles so I can clean that off. So, chemistry's everywhere. All the stuff that we're studying about matter is pretty neat. Just want to stop and share it with you and tell you science rocks. Peace.